Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. It is TV and my name is Elizabeth. So in today's video I'm showing you how becoming a model in Istanbul or working as a model in Istanbul, how it works. Depending on the agencies you're with, you're going for castings, and from castings you go for fittings and stuff like that. Okay guys, stay tuned and keep watching. I'm gonna proceed later.
Model life. Kamera görünce.
So crazy. So we're waiting for order. It's gonna be here in just a few minutes. Right. So our food is here. I'm supposed to leave early, but I didn't leave on time, and that's why we're in this traffic. So it's day 2. I am here, first floor. Hello. So I'm at the fittings.
Hocam girebiliyor muyuz?
Ne gibi?
Ya mankenle. Fazla mı?
Kaç tane var manken? 2 tane var. Şurada siz de giyinebilirsiniz. 3. manken.
Tamam.
Daha dar olmalı ki içeri çeksin dışarı.
Şimdi hocam bence bu daha iyi oldu.
Gene aynısı. Gene
Evet,
daraltman
burayı
lazım.
sertleştireceğim ama daha az daralması var.
Öbürüne başka fit yapma. Tamam.
Hocam.
Bence çok iyi oldu onda çünkü.
Evet, tam oldu.
Tam oldu bence full.
Gitmediyse hemen sorayım. Gitti mi acaba ya?
Teşekkür ederim. Kolum cepte mi? Tamam.
Çok teşekkür ederim.
Çok küçükmüş.
Ya, I took the size. I'll fix it.
Çok teşekkür ederiz.
Right now I finished. So bye, thank you, bye. Hello. And take a taxi and go do some other things. So today it's finished, and see you guys later.
We're gonna wear the same dress.
Exactly. Let's have our lunch now, right? Yeah.
And after 30 minutes break, then we're gonna have our shooting.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
So we're gonna have 30 minutes break after the lunch or something?
For lunch.
Oh, for lunch.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Guys, this what they gave me is vegan, you can see. So it's nice.
Evet. Sağ ol canım.
So canım.
Sağ ol
Yeah.
canım ya.
So today is the second day and the last day.
Hayırlı cumalar.
Today is the show day, runway.
The show day. So we're all here. Some are inside already. So guys,
Today is not as hot as yesterday.
yeah.
Girdim çıktım artık benim şimdi.
So that is it, and keep you guys posted. So ciao. Thank you guys for watching this how to become a model or something. Okay, so okay.